Hello, welcome to Math Gist. In this class, we quickly want to simplify this nice math problem without using calculator. The first one is 7 raised to power 4 multiplied by 49 raised to power 10. Then also the second one is 1 over 7 square root of 7. Solution. Let's consider this first one. 7 raised to power 4 multiplied by 49 raised to power 10 is equal to what? This is 7 raised to power 4 multiplied by 49 is 7 squared to the power of 10. Now, if you have a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power n m. So here we have 7 raised to power 4 multiplied by 7 raised to power 10 times 2, that is 20. And if you have a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m, this is equal to a raised to power n plus m. So this can be written as 7 raised to power 4 plus 20 equal to 7 raised to power 24. And this is the final answer. Now let's consider the second one. The second one is 1 over 7 root of 7. Then number 2, 1 over 7 root of 7, and this is equal to 1 over 7 multiplied by 7 raised to power 1 over 2 equal to 1 over 7 raised to power 1 plus 1 over 2. This is equal to 1 over 7 raised to power 3 over 2, and this is equal to 7 raised to power minus 3 over 2. So this is the final answer. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.